Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to create shortcut on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to create shortcut on Snapchat can streamline your interactions with the app and provide quick access to specific contacts. And then by creating shortcut for your favorite friends, you can save time and effort when sending snaps and initiating chats. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, firstly, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, so now you have to go to the chat tabs here. Well, and then the way to create a shortcut on this app, simply click this new option at the corner. Okay, so now you can choose your friends who almost interact with you on this platform. Okay, and then enter emoji as a title of your new shortcut. After finishing, and then you can click create shortcut here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to create shortcut on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.